So I'm about to share my screen with you. Hope everybody can see. All right, so the entry date we have right here, which is September 24th, 2025. That will be today's date. We have the defendant, Jarvis Ramon Butts, state of Michigan versus. And then we also have the offense date, which took place on June 16, 2021. And it even has the time of the incident, which was at 9:30 a.m. Here we have the prosecutor, Tina Ripley. And these are his charges that he's facing: criminal sexual conduct in the first degree, second offense, criminal sexual conduct in the second degree, and then also criminal sexual conduct or subsequent offense. So this originally took place back in 2021. It looks as if that person has come forward to filing a complaint. That was today's date that the complaint was entered by Tina Ripley, who was the assistant prosecutor on the Naziah Harris case as well. And I want to get into what they have on the main website. Give me 1 second. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. So at the bottom, we have the latest case that he has with Third Circuit. That will be at September 24th, today's date. A case that came from the 36th District Court. Typically, they bound cases over from that court to the Third Circuit, and they even have a new case number. And as of right now, there's a recommendation for a warrant. He's already in custody, but this is still proper protocol that the court system has to go through just to, make sure everything is processed correctly. And I'm about to share another piece of information. Now, some may be wondering, why is there a recommendation for an arrest warrant, even though he's already arrested? That is true, but they still have to go through proper channels just to get that information and get him booked and everything like that. He still has to go through the judicial process like everyone else, as far as like getting an arrest warrant, getting an arraignment, bond if possible, probable cause, preliminary, trial, the usual. Now, the question was asked, can you have an arrest warrant while already in custody in Michigan? It's a yes and no answer. And I'll explain that and actually give you a visual of that as well. So an arrest is the act of taking someone into custody. However, if you are already incarcerated in Michigan, the court can still issue a new warrant for your arrest for new charges, which means you will be informed of the new charge, given the bond amount, and then processed for the new warrant. And that's typically how the criminal justice process works as far as getting a new trial. So that would explain why they put the recommendation for the warrant out. But he does have a new case and he does have a new charge with Wayne County. And I just wanted to get you guys updated with that information. I'm gonna, of course, get more updates as we go along to find out what's going on or what more we can get for this case. But I just wanted to get you guys that information. This is not going to be a long video, but if you can subscribe to the channel if you're not, for more live updates or more updates that's pertaining to this case. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share if you want to. That's it. That's all I got for you guys.